We knew that the current infrastructure of the country cannot facilitate persons with disabilities when it comes to employment. The only solution that seemed logical is for these individuals to become employers and uplift their community. On the other hand, we were also aware of the lack of inclusion within the startup ecosystem in Pakistan. To facilitate 27 million persons with disabilities in Pakistan and to help them make themselves self-sufficient, we needed to think out of the box.
बचपन से यही सोच थी कि जब एजुकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगी उसके बाद जॉब मिलेगी, लेकिन जब बड़े हुए तो पता चला कि जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एक तो बहुत कम है, दूसरी अगर आपको मिल भी जाए तो फिर उसमें यह होता है कि सैलरी इतनी कम है कि एक आम इंसान सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकता उस सैलरी में।
I applied for a job in a different organizations, but it was very difficult for me to get hired. So I thought, why not have my own startup?
ICF program was designed to ensure the active participation of persons with disabilities in society rather than them living on the sidelines. We provided our future makers with a variety of resources including custom designed curriculum, grants, mentorship, networking opportunities, marketing support, entrepreneurship toolkits, and access to international conferences and opportunities as well. Another aspect of these curriculum and mentorship sessions was to provide our future makers with both the theoretical knowledge and practical application that they could use in the real world.
If you start from the first cohort, during the registration process, we paid special attention to women entrepreneurs with disabilities.
We saw the determination of persons with disabilities as we learned about their innovative ideas. We selected 8 promising startups from diverse verticals in our first cohort, including food, e-commerce, edtech, health tech, and fashion industry.
ICF program has greatly helped us in building our capacity through their curriculum sessions.
The entire program was very close to our heart. Our team and trainers were actively involved in providing our founders with the necessary mentorship and guidance throughout their journey.
It has not only elevated their visibility on a global scale, but also provided them with the networking and partnership opportunities crucial to their growth. The exposure they gathered from events like GITEX and North Star in Dubai will help them reach the next level.
Building on the resounding success of the first cohort, the second cohort was even bigger. We received 300 plus applications from 28 cities across Pakistan. From this diverse pool, we selected 8 startups, each having a unique idea ready to solve real life social economic challenges that we face.
मैं सेलेक्ट हुआ, ICF की टीम ने मुझे कॉल की तो आई वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी क्योंकि ये एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट था जो मैं करना चाह रहा था।
ICF में मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा, इनकी टीम के साथ मिलकर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, वो बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव और टाइमली रिस्पॉन्स करती है। इसके साथ साथ मुझे अपने जैसे और स्टार्टअप में मिलने का मौका मिला।
With ICF, we learned a lot about business and how to overcome various challenges. The sessions were inclusive because of interpretation.
For a startup, having a digital presence is a matter of life and death. Hence, we helped our founders in creating their websites and activating their social media platforms.
Our team worked with each and every founder to help them register their companies and to make the entire process hassle-free for them.
The Innovation Challenge Future Makers program now is an inspiration for all persons with disabilities. Another thing that we did was create video documentaries with all our founders where they shared their life stories, success and failures. The reason behind that was to inspire others like them.
To date, we have successfully concluded 2 demo days for 16 startups with 35 inspiring entrepreneurs. Both the events were a huge success with participation of government officials, development and corporate sector, industry experts and startup supporters. This provided startups with an opportunity to rub shoulders with the industry giants and learn from their experience. A grant money of 8 million rupees was also announced for our startups to help them boost their startup growth.
अगले 5 साल में हम असिस्टिव डिवाइसेस की लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शुरू करना चाहते हैं ताकि उससे ज़्यादा अफराद बाहम माजूरी मुस्तफ़ीद हों।
मैं अगले 5 साल में 3 मेथड को फुली डेवलप और लॉन्च करना चाहता हूँ
और इसमें लोकल और इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज इंकॉर्पोरेट करना चाहता हूँ।
My future goal is to convert my kitchen into a restaurant. Whether it is hearing, deaf, or blind, there will be an inclusive menu for everyone.
The past year, we have put a lot of effort and sleepless nights to make this program successful, but the result that we have received is also unmatched. The journey is not over yet. The ICF program has been extended for 3 more years. In these 3 years, we'll work towards facilitating even more startups. Our dream now is to expand the ICF program to the global level and to empower more persons with disabilities worldwide.